Good morning, dear student. Let us start the class. Today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Wildfire. Okay, and we are going to learn about natural disasters. Okay, there are various types of natural disaster and we are going to discuss about them, and we are going to discuss mainly about wildfire, which is a natural disaster. So let us start the class. Now, before starting the class, let us recall what we have learned in the previous chapters. In the previous chapters, we have learned about the different types of forest. Okay, so why I have taken forest as a revision? Because wildfires occur or happen in forest. The different types of forest that we have got is evergreen forest, forest that changes color, and forest with cone shaped leaves or trees. Now in the first picture, it is a evergreen forest. Evergreen forest receive rainfall throughout the year. It remain the leaves of the plants and trees remain green. The second picture you can see, it is a combination of color of the leaves of the trees like orange, yellow, green. Okay, so these are the forests which changes its color mainly in the autumn season. Okay, so this forest changes its color. The leaves of the trees and plants changes its color during the autumn season, and by the spring season it bears new leaves. In the third picture you can see that it is a forest where the trees are cone shaped. That means the the leaves are needle shaped. So these types of forests you can find in cold areas. So different types of forest are there. Now let us start the main topic. Natural disaster. What is a natural disaster? A natural disaster is a sudden environment effect that cause sudden damage or loss of life. So natural disaster, we can say that it is a phenomena that occurs in the world. Okay, it is not man-made, it happens by itself, and when it occurs, so it causes damage. Okay, it causes damage or loss of life. Damage in the sense of to the buildings, to the roads. Okay, and loss of life means like animals, birds and human beings, they sometimes die. So this is known as natural disaster. Natural disaster are caused by nature. Okay, so what are the different types of natural disaster? Here I have taken some example. Apart from this example, there are also many types of natural disaster. Okay, the earthquake, flood, volcano, landslide, hurricane, tsunami. So these are different types of natural disaster. Now what is a earthquake? Okay, so earthquake is a sudden shaking of the earth. Okay, because below the surface of the earth there are certain plate like thing which are known as tectonic plates. So these tectonic plates are always in movement. They are moving under the surface of the earth. So sometimes what happen, these tectonic plates either rub each other or come one above the another. So when this happens, it releases energy. Okay, when these tectonic plates rub each other, it releases energy, and what happened, the earth shakes. When the earth shakes, there is disruption on the surface of the earth. Okay, so sometimes roads break down in the middle, buildings come down. Okay, houses come down. Okay, and cars are being overthrown from the roads. So this happens with earthquake depending on the speed of the earthquake. If there is a not very severe earthquake, then nothing damage happens on the earth. But if the earthquake is very strong, then lot of damages happens to the lives of people and also to the buildings and roads. So in the picture you can see that in the Gujarat there was a major earthquake. Okay, and many people died and many buildings came down, it broke down. So it is a natural disaster. It causes damages to the lives of the people and animals. Flood. What is a flood? The flood is overflow of water. Okay, so what happens sometimes, dams break. Dams in the sense of there is water reservoir. Okay, so large huge amount of waters are collected there, so sometimes it breaks down. Okay, so snow melting in the glacier of the Himalayas or in the mountains, heavy rainfall. So what happens, there is a overflow of water. So where this will water go? So this water will cover the nearby villages or cities, and what happens, the roads come down under the water, the houses come down in the under the water, and animals, they cannot survive anywhere, isn't it? So what happens, animals die, and sometimes people also die. Okay, so the flood water remains in the air village. Once the water covers the villages and areas, so what happens, it remains for a few days. So what happens, it causes damages, isn't it? Because people are affected by the overflow of water. So when the water also goes away, then what happens, then people fall sick, because this water bring various kinds of diseases and bacteria. So flood is a natural disaster. It causes damages during the overflow also, and once the water leaves the area, then also people are affected by sickness, because this water coming from different places, they bring diseases, bacteria, and people fall sick. So this is a natural and severe natural disaster. Another is a volcano. So what is a volcano? Sometimes what happen, there is a sudden movement and a mountain like thing occurs on the surface of the earth, and you can, and if you see in the picture, some red kind like things are coming out from this small mountain. So this is what, this is molten hot lava. Okay, so what happens, in the earth, in the deep inside the earth, there are gas, isn't it? So sometimes this gas comes out from the surface of the earth in the form of a volcano, and this hot molten lava overflows near the areas or villages. And what happens, this hot molten lava is not good for our health, and when this hot molten lava comes out, what happens, the area gets affected, people cannot live there, so they have to leave the place. So volcano is another natural disaster. Hurricane. What is a hurricane? So hurricane is a strong rotating storm of wind, okay, and it has got high speed, and what happens, it forms over the water bodies like seas or oceans. Okay, and this strong wind, they travel at a very high speed, and the and the areas near the seas and oceans are affected. So hurricane is a natural disaster. The next is a tsunami. I think you probably heard about tsunami. Okay, tsunami has affected the lives of people and the areas in many parts of the world. Okay, so tsunami is a series of waves. It happens in seas and oceans, caused by the earthquake or volcanic eruption deep under the sea or ocean. Okay, and these waves of water, they travel very fast. Okay, and what happens, then these water are displaced in the areas near the seas or ocean. So tsunami is a natural disaster. After, when tsunami happen, flood occurs, this water, they are displaced in the nearby areas, flood happens, and people are affected by tsunami. So tsunami is another natural disaster. So children, these are the natural disaster that we have discussed now briefly, but our main topic is about wildfire. So what is wildfire? Wildfire is a natural disaster. Wildfire are the fires which break out in the forest, grassland, etc. So this wildfire, what happens, where there is an area of like forest or grassland or dense with and are thick with plants and trees, so this wildfire happens. these are uncontrolled fires. Okay, they occur by various reasons. These are uncontrolled, they cannot be controlled, and they burn plants and trees in a forest, and it burns plants and trees, and along with that animals and birds are also affected, and also aquatic life means if there is a stream or pond in a forest, then fish and prawns are there, isn't it? So those aquatic animals, okay, and other wild animals and birds living in a forest are affected by wildfires. These fires, they burn the leaves and the trees of the plants, and these fires are uncontrollable. That means it is very strong. Okay, so huge amount of forces are required to bring down the forest fire. Once it starts, it burns a large area. Okay, and what happens when wildfire occurs? When wildfire occurs, not only the plants and the animals are affected, it causes pollution also. Okay, smoke come out. Okay, pollution happens, air pollution happens, and what happen, life, like people living near the forest or the animals, they get problem breathing the smoke. Okay, so wildfire is a natural disaster, and it happens in various parts of the world. In India, wildfires are very frequent. Okay, so if you happen to, if you google sometime, so you can see the different places of India, and not only in India, in the various parts of the world, wildfires happen every now and then. Every 20,000 wildfires occur in India every year. Okay, so every year around 20,000 wildfires occur in India alone. Okay, so there are many countries in the world, only India it is talking about. Around 600 wildfires broke out in Uttarakhand in the year 2016. So in the year 2016, around in 1 year 1600 wildfires happen in the state Uttarakhand. Okay, so 1600 is a very huge number. I have taken an example of Australia. Australia's wildfires are the worst in the recorded history. Okay, so in Australia, a wildfire broke out, and it started in 2019 and it stopped in 2020. So that was a mass destruction in Australia. Many animals died, many plants and trees were burned. Okay, and it took a huge amount of people and forces to bring down the fire. Okay, because these fire are uncontrollable. Okay, so these are very strong, because these fires are very strong, and it requires huge amount of energy to bring down the fire. Now, based on the topic that we have discussed today, I have taken two questions here. These two questions will be uploaded in the Google Classroom, but you no need to submit now as your exam is going on. You can submit once the exam is over. The first question, Hari went for a trip with his friend to state. Okay, the state he went is reported to have around 1600 wildfire. Which state it is? So Hari is the name of a person, and he and his friends went for a trip to a state in India. Okay, and in that state it has been recorded as 1600 uh, wildfires have broke out. So which state it is? Okay, the next question, which natural disaster breaks out in forest? So many disaster we have discussed now. So which natural disaster that happens in forest? The new words that we have learned today are disaster, wildfires, grassland, and nature. So these are the key words which is used in this chapter. I hope you have understood about natural disaster and about particularly about wildfires. In the next chapter, we will learn about how wildfire happen and what is the cause. Okay, so with this I conclude my video. Thank you and have a nice day.